All right, eighth grade, here is your writing assignment for the week. It is called a Parts of Speech Poem. Today we are going to be writing a poem by adding different parts of speech. Look at the examples before going on to the next page. Look at example number 1. A flower, beautiful and fragrant, swaying and bending, quietly roses. Example 2. A hammock, comfortable and cool, drifting and moving, softly, breeze. 3. Summer, sweet and sticky, running and playing, happily, August. 4. A convertible, fast and sleek, speeding and moving, quickly, Corvette. 5. A fish, gold and small, diving and swimming, quietly, Goldie. In this poem, you are going to be adding some parts of speech. I have given you guys a little cheat sheet over here for like examples of articles, nouns, adjectives, conjunctions, verbs, and adverbs. Those are the parts of speech you're going to need when doing this poem. Now, on the parts of speech, if you look here, it says an article and a noun, an adjective and a conjunction and adjective, a verb, a conjunction, a verb, an adverb, a noun that is related to the first noun on the first line. So you're going to be adding the different parts of speech. If you get stuck, look back at some of the examples to come up with. You might want to start with the noun up here and then the related noun down there. You might be able to go in and do the verb, conjunction, verb next, and then finish off with these here. You don't have to do it in order. So that is the parts of speech poem. Don't forget, if you get stuck, use your resources, aka your iPad, and then submit it to me through Canvas when you are finished.